Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So today in the Arabic lesson we are going to do another very interesting topic, and that is the harf of jar. So it's also a kind of harf. Harf is as we said before, it's simply a word that makes no sense unless a word comes after it. And now this is a chart that we have to memorize for this. Yesterday we memorized the chart for the harf of nasb, which was inna, anna, ka, anna, bi, anna, layta, lakinna, la'alla. And now today we are going to memorize this one, which is the harf of jar. So just repeat with me: ba, ta, kaf, lam, waw. 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 من في عن على حتى إلى. 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 با تا كاف لام واو من في عن على حتى إلى. با تا كاف لام واو من في عن على حتى إلى. Last time. با تا كاف لام واو من في عن على حتى إلى. Just memorize this chart. It's very important to memorize. So these are the harf of jar which makes the ism coming after them jar status. So just like the harf of nasab which made the ism coming after that nasab, these haruf they make the ism coming after them jar. There is a long list of these, but these are the ones that occur in the Quran. So we just need to memorize these. It's a short list. Just memorize this a couple of times, and you'll say you'll be able to memorize. Now let's move forward. Now like we said that ba ta kaf, so ba is a harf of jar, right? So ba when it comes with ism, so it makes it bismi. So e sound comes, it makes it jar because it's a harf of jar. So bismi, as in bismillah, when we say, we see that. So now we see auzu billahi. So ba is coming over here. So Allah, the word Allah is going to become jar. So billahi. It's not going to be ha or hu. It's going to be he because there is a ba before, and ba is a harf of jar, which makes the ism coming after it jar. So now we see min shaitwani. So ba ta kaf lam waw min. So min is also a harf of jar, and when the ism qada that comes after it is going to become jar. So min shaitwani. It's not going to be shaitanu or shaitwana. It's going to be shaitwani because min is a harf of jar which converts the ism coming after it into jar. Now let's look at the meanings of these. It's not it's good if you know the meanings because it's going to really help when you in reading of the Quran. So let's just do them. So ba means with. You see bismi. So with the name Bismillahi, with the name of Allah. So ba means with. Ta means it's used for swearing, and it's a very serious kind of swear. So like tallahi. So there is all like one kind of swear is wallahi, like which is just used casually. Wallahi, I'm hungry, or these kind of stuff. Because it's not very serious. But tallahi, the swear that is with ta, it's a very serious one when you're really serious about swearing something. So ta is swear. Ka is a kaf is like it's like. So you see in Surah Fil, it's kasfim makul. Kasf means hey. So kaf means like. So like hey. Kasfin like hey. So and you see in kasfin, because kaf is going to make the ism coming after it a jar. So ba ta kaf lam. Lam means for, like alhamdu lillahi. So lam is going like for Allah. The hamd is for Allah. So lam means for. Ba ta kaf lam. And next one is wow, and wow means wow also means where, so I didn't write it. And then min means from. Minash shaitanir rajim, from shaitan. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, from shaitan. So min means from. Fi means in. Lafi khusrin, in al insana lafi khusrin. So in loss. And see, with the fi, the next word it became jar khusrin, because it's a harf of jar. Then an means about. Allazina an salatihim sahun. An means an salatihim, about their prayer. So an means about. Ala means on, and hatta means until. Hatta matla'il fajr, it means until fajr. So hatta means until, and ila means to or towards. Ilallahi means to Allah, towards Allah. So these are the words of jar which these are the harf of jar which make the ism that comes after them jar. So ba, ta, kaf, lam, waw, min, fi, an, ala, hatta, ila. Just memorize them and try to know their meanings. Inshallah, tomorrow we'll continue further. Fi amanallah.